Bachcho, how are you all? Hope you all are well, my dear kids. We finished that 9th lesson, notes, everything we finished. Have you finished everything? Okay, my dear kids, we are going to start a new lesson today. Guno or Koyo, that is two persons' name in one place, okay? Guno or Koyo. What is that we will learn? Take page number 73. Up of it, write today's date 19/2/2021, Shukravar. Write on the up of it. I'm going to read, please listen carefully, okay? इंडोनेशिया के जावा, सुमात्रा आदि जगहों में गुनो और कोयो नाम प्रसिद्ध है. In Indonesia, Java, Sumatra, these are the some places in Indonesia. That places and all, this Guno and Koya name is very famous. Prasiddha means famous. That name is very famous. इंडोनेशिया के जावा, सुमात्रा आदि जगहों में गुनो और कोयो नाम प्रसिद्ध है. That name is very famous in that Java and Sumatra. इन्हें सुनते ही लोगों के चेहरे पर मुस्कान आ जाती है. By hearing the name of that two names, when the people are hearing, they will smile on that. They will laugh. By seeing the name of that person, that name, every people will laugh. गुनो नाम का मतलब होता है मददगार. मददगार means helper. Guno, the meaning of the name Guno is helper. But what happened? गुनो नाम का एक ऐसा इंसान था जो कभी किसी की मदद नहीं करता था. गुनो, the name or the meaning of that name Guno is helper. But what happening means, there one person was there, he is having the name Guno. But what happening there, he never help anyone. किसी मदद नहीं करता था. He never help anyone. वहीं दूसरी ओर कोयो नाम का मतलब होता है. कोयो नाम, the name Koyo means Amir. Amir means rich. So but this Koyo named person having what? शायद ही कभी पैसे रखते थे. Sometimes only he is having money. So he is not rich. So that meaning is not apted for them. So that only the people when they are seeing the name of these two, they are laughing towards them, because that name is not suited for them. Guno means helper, but that person never help anyone. Koyo means rich, but he don't have enough money with him. That is only that one. Then next page. जब कभी वह थोड़े बहुत पैसों का इंतजाम कर पाता था तो उसका दोस्त गुनो उन पैसों को उठाने में उसकी मदद कर देता था. When he is planning to arrange some, इंतजाम करना, arrange. When he is arranging some money from somebody, means his friend will come and help him. So, because that means they are stealers, they are thieves, okay? When they are planning to take more money from, when this Guno, this Koyo is arranging somewhere to take the money, means this Guno will come and help him. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि एक बार गुनो ने कोयो को अपने बूढ़े पड़ोसी के घर चोरी करने के लिए उकसाया. What is happening means, one day Guno sent Koyo. Guno, what he has sent? Guno sent Koyo to his nearby house. Nearby house, one old man is staying. That house, this Guno told Koyo to go and steal the things from that. Uksaya means provoke. He provoked Koyo to do chori. Chori karna, doing theft. Okay, stealing. Stealing from the nearby neighbor, padosi neighbor. One old neighbor is there. So you have to go and steal something from there. He provoked Koyo. रात में वे दबे पांव उस बूढ़े आदमी के घर गए और कमरे के अंदर घुसने के लिए दीवार में बड़ा सा छेद किया. What he did then? Night they are running and going near to that old man's house and कमरे के अंदर घुसने के लिए to enter inside the house, enter inside the room of that house. What they have done? दीवार में बड़ा सा छेद किया. दीवार wall. On the wall what have बड़ा सा छेद. छेद means hole. They have done one big hole on the wall to go inside the room. जब छेद इतना बड़ा हो गया कि आराम से उसमें से एक आदमी कमरे के अंदर जा सकता था. जब छेद इतना बड़ा हो गया कि आराम से उसमें एक आदमी कमरे के अंदर जा सकता था. What happening? They have made the hole very big so any person can go inside very nicely inside that room. तब गुनो उसमें से कमरे के भीतर कूद गया. सो देन व्हाट हैपेंड? गुनो वेंट इनसाइड दैट रूम. वह चुपचाप उस कमरे में रखी कीमती वस्तुएं इकट्ठी करके ज़मीन पर रखने लगा. स्लोली साइलेंटली व्हाट ही वाज डूइंग, एवरी एक्सपेंसिव थिंग्स एंड ऑल. कीमती वस्तुएं, एक्सपेंसिव थिंग्स, whatever expensive things are there, that everything he has collected and he was keeping on the floor of that one, isn't it? जब वह चुपचाप उस कमरे में रखी कीमती वस्तुएं इकट्ठी करके ज़मीन पर रखने लगा. He started doing, taking all the expensive things from there and he was keeping on the floor. जैसे ही सारा सामान लेकर वह जाने लगा उसकी नज़र गूठी पर टंगी रंगीन पोशाक पर पड़ी. What happened? When he was taking all the things and when he started to going, उसकी नज़र घूटी पर टंगी. घूटी means peg. Peg means that clip is there na? Clip. That hanger or clip. Dangi. Dangi means hang. रंगीन पोशाक. रंगीन पोशाक colorful. Dress. He saw one colorful dress was hanging there, जिसे उसने खूंडी से उतरकर स्वयं पहन लिया. He has taken that from there and he was wearing that one. एकाएक ही उसके मन में सोचा. Suddenly he thought that अगर मैं जिस रास्ते से आया हूँ, which way I came, उसी से वापस यानी दीवार में किए छेद से खोदकर बाहर जाने का प्रयास करूँगा तो मैं अपने चोरी के इस सामान को खो दूँगा. If I am going the way where I have made hole on the wall, if I am going by on that way means I will lose this dress. I will lose this thing what I have stolen because that dress is very nice. If he is going on that way means it will damage. So he is telling that if I am going on the same way means I will lose this dress. So what he is thinking? यह सोचकर वह घर के मुख्य द्वार से बाहर जाने लगा. Then what he is doing? By thinking that he is going on the main gate of the main door of the front door is there na? There he is planning to go. He is going and he is coming outside from the main door. घर के बाहर गुनु के इंतजार में गुनो it is spelling mistake, printing mistake. गुनो के इंतजार में खड़ा कोयो रंगीन पोशाक पहने व्यक्ति की परछाई देखकर चौंक गया. रंगीन पोशाक, इंतजार, वेट, परछाई, shadow. By seeing the shadow of those who are wearing the new dress, that color dress and coming, by seeing that Koya, what happened? He felt like that is उसे अपने पड़ोसी मानकर जोर जोर से चिल्लाते हुए भागने लगा. He felt that is that old man, that neighbor, by thinking that he was shouting and he was running from there because he want to give signal for the Guno who is standing inside. So when the Guno was wearing that new dress and coming outside, this Goyo felt that by seeing the shadow, he felt that is the neighbor, that is his neighbor. By seeing the shadow, he shouted and he is running from there. गुनो उसकी चिल्लाने की आवाज़ें सुनकर डर गया. By hearing the shouting sound of Koyo, Guno felt so scared. he didn't notice that Koyo has shouted because of what. But hearing the Koyo sound, Guno felt so scared. उसे लगा कि उसे पकड़ने लोग उसके पीछे आ रहे हैं. By hearing the sound, he felt that somebody was coming to catch me. Like that he felt. हट बढ़ाकर वह अपना चोरी किया सारा सामान वही ज़मीन पर छोड़कर भागो भागो करते हुए कोयो के पीछे पीछे भागने लगा. What he has done? हट बढ़ाकर hurry. By hearing the Koyo sound, Guno felt that somebody was coming to catch me. By hearing, then he is what he is doing, very hurry. He has kept all the things what he have stealed from there. He kept on the land, on the floor itself, and he was running by shouting like Bhago, run. Like that he is shouting and going. कोयो के पीछे पीछे भागने लगा. He was going behind Koyo because Koyo, by seeing Guno, he was running and moving friend. So by hearing Koyo, Guno thought that somebody was coming to catch him. So Guno also kept all the things on the floor and he was running behind Koyo. दोनों की चीख पुकार से रात के सन्नाटे में पूरे गांव में शोर मचा गया. By hearing the sound of these both, the night means it will be very silent, right? So by hearing the cheek pukar, shout and scream. By hearing the shouting and screaming of these two people, Sannate means silent. Sannata, silent. पूरे गांव में शोर मच गया. Made noise. Everywhere it became noise because of these people's shouting in the silent time. Isn't it? Was very silent. सभी पड़ोसी जाग गए और अपनी लाठियों के साथ दोनों चोरों के पीछा करने निकल पड़े. All the neighbors everyone they woke up and what I have अपनी लाठियों के साथ लाठी sticks, they have taken some sticks and they are coming to they are going backward of these thieves and they are going to catch them. गुनो और कोयो भी बिना रुके खुले मैदानों खेतों में से भागते दौड़ते खिरते पटते हाफते एक पहाड़ के किनारे पहुंच गए. What they didn't stop and they are खुले मैदान open grounds and are their मैदान खुले मैदान open grounds and also खेतों field and say भागते दौड़ते running and गिरते पड़ते falling in between they are falling also, then even they are standing and running and also हाफते they are gasping also, they are breathing like something and एक पहाड़ के किनारे पहुंच गए. Suddenly at last they reached near to the bank of one mountain. So by seeing the people, Koyo was shouting. By hearing that, Guno thought somebody was coming to catch. By hearing the Guno sound, Guno was shouting. These both were shouting. That time, every people, those who were sleeping, they woke up and they have taken the sticks and then running behind the thieves to catch them. So these two people were running and going, and they reached near to the mountain. Reached one mountain. Interesting, right? What is happening next? We will see in the next class, right? If we are taking fully means that will be boring for you. So I need you to read the lesson. Please read the lesson, my dear kids. Read it, record it and send it to me. Okay? Come for the Zoom class properly, my dear kids. Whatever doubts you have, you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. Okay? That's all for today. Dhanyavad, mere pyare bachcho.